Today I want to teach you and dear Ellie how to sound like a native American speaker. Just watch this video and do nothing. Let's go.
Teacher,
Yes.
I didn't do my homework.
Ain't that the way?
What?
Ain't that the way?
What does it mean?
It means, as always,
Teacher.
always you don't do your homeworks. Come on, just for once, do something for learning.
Teacher.
Yes, please, for once.
That's offensive.
Yo, that's not offensive.
Yeah.
Like, this is the truth.
No, it's not.
It is. Ain't that the way?
Okay.
But in American
I'll do
English,
better.
when you want to say,
Next session, I'll do better.
okay, thank you. But in American English, when you want to say, just as always, I knew it. Just like always, just like you were like this. Ain't that the way?
Ain't that the way?
Yeah, just like
Ain't
that.
the way?
Ain't that the way?
Ain't that the way?
Yeah.
Teacher, I wanted to buy a cell phone.
Yes.
And I found out that iPhone is so much better than Samsung.
Yes, you just took the words right out of my mouth.
What?
You took the words right out of my mouth. It means I wanted to say what you said. iPhone is way better than Samsung. Come on.
Yeah.
Everybody knows. You know. I know. She knows. She knows. She knows. That song. Yeah. But yeah, iPhone is much better. Come on. Way better. But you want to say, hey, I wanted to say this.
Yeah.
You can use that sentence.
Good guys always receive nothing in life.
That is the story of my life.
That is the story of my life.
That is the story of my life. It means, yes, always, like I was always the good guy in any story, like any, but I received nothing, like nothing, literally. But
That's the
if
story
you
of
be
my life.
the bad guy at this story, people always just watch you and
Yeah.
just always
Adore you.
yeah, just worship you. So, yeah, that is the story of my life.
That is the story of my life.
In American English, when you want to say, just
That is the story of my life.
true, yeah, it means,
I believe it.
yeah, I believe it 100%. It means, and I experienced it, you can say, that is the story of my life. Or simply say, story of my life. I mean, One Direction, they have a song,
Yeah.
story of my life,
Yeah.
I don't know the rest.
I was a fan before.
Dun. Oh,
I forgot
just
the
like that.
lyric.
Yeah, but I love this song. Yeah, story
was
of
good.
my life. Which one was your favorite?
You and
Harry? No,
Oh,
this singer.
Singers.
Zayn?
Yes. Zayn.
Yeah, Zayn, or I prefer Harry. Just
No.
before his
He's great.
transformation.
He's the best, but in the looking, just Zayn.
So if you want to,
Leon was great too.
Leon
but
was. May he rest in peace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he
God
passed
bless
away.
him.
This year's Grammy was the worst.
That's the tea. I mean,
What?
just tell me about it. That's the tea. Means that's the truth. I agree. Like,
That's the truth.
yeah.
I didn't
Uh,
like it at all.
I just don't approve what Kanye West does. I
Yeah.
mean, like, come on,
It
man.
was awful.
He always says Kim Kardashian's, I mean, she's wearing inappropriate dresses, like, but I mean, look at her, look at his wife. Just look at her. I mean, come on. We're not gonna judge what we are gonna judge.
But we are.
Who are we to judge? I mean, come on. But yeah, we are the judge. But this was the worst.
Yeah.
And
That's the tea.
And yeah, that's the tea, exactly. And again, Beyonce won. And she was like this.
Oh, I'm shocked.
Really? Oh, okay, yeah. She
As
knows.
always.
She knows. She knows. they're gonna kill me after this episode. Okay, guys, it was a good one. So You had a
Bye-bye.
great one. Bye.
I watched the Liverpool's game and I liked it.
Now you're speaking my language. Come on,
What?
thank you. Now you're speaking my language. It means,
Speaking my language.
yeah, now you're talking. Now you're in the zone.
Ah,
Now you're in.
now you're
Now we're
speaking my
friends.
language.
Now we can communicate with each
Yeah.
other. Come on, Liverpool rocks. Liverpool is the best team
Yeah.
ever.
They were great.
Yeah, they are great. Ah, I love them. Okay, but in American English, when you want to say, now you're great, now I can just thumbs you up. You can say,
Thumbs you up.
thumbs you up. It's just, you can say, now you're approved. Now I can give you the thumbs up.
Yeah.
It means you can say,
Now you're talking my language.
now you're speaking my
you're
language. Yes.
speaking my
Yeah.
language,
Now you're
yeah.
speaking. Or you can say simply say, now you're talking.
Now you're talking.
Yeah,
Now
or
you're
na-
speaking my language.
Yeah, you can say all these things. But Liverpool is the best.
You know that video games are the best?
Tell me something I don't know.
What?
Tell me something I don't know. It means, of course, it's the best.
they're
It
the
rocks. It's the best. Video
Tell me
games.
something I don't know.
Yeah, tell me something I don't know.
Tell me
Ah,
something.
yeah. I like FIFA. I like PES,
No.
Call of Duty,
Yeah. And
God of War.
I didn't play it.
What did you play?
Yearly games.
Oh, do we have girly games? Like games
Yeah.
for girls? Like Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
My friend said before on Valentine's Day, the guy should buy gold jewelries.
Oh, that's some next level nonsense.
Next level.
Yeah, that's
nonsense.
some next level nonsense. It means this is nonsense. This is next level nonsense. So it's nonsense.
Yeah, I told
So
her.
no, come on.
It's stupid.
In Valentine's Day, gold? Huh. If you love that person, you can buy
Yeah.
her gold, you can buy her diamonds, you can buy her like expensive watches, anything.
Yeah.
But if something is a must, I don't do that.
Exactly.
I don't do musts. Musts.
Exactly.
Yeah. I don't like to do that because when you say it, you put a
You
price
ruin it.
tag. Yeah, you ruin it. You put a price tag on yourself
Yeah.
and on your relationship. So it means that your relationship is done. So that's some
It's
next level
next
nonsense.
level nonsense.
Oh,
Did you heard the news?
What?
Los Angeles was red top of
Okay.
the
it's okay. It's okay.
Did you heard the news?
What?
Los Angeles was on fire.
I've heard it all now.
What?
I've heard it all now.
I've heard it all.
Yeah, it means
now.
like nothing is strange from now on for me. Like
Yeah.
Hollywood
It was
and
so
fire.
weird.
It was like the celebrities, they were praying
Yeah.
for their houses, for their cars, for their
Yeah.
life.
All the
I mean, Hollywood. I mean, the famous Hollywood and fire.
Yeah, it
I
was
mean,
so
what was the
weird.
reason? I don't know. I think it was God's plan. Big plan. Yeah,
Maybe.
they were bad. God punished them. I don't know. But but I think that insurance will pay them.
I hope so.
I hope so. If insurance would not pay them, they still have a lot of money. They can buy lots of luxurious houses. Like, yeah, no
They
problem
could,
for
they could
them.
buy a
But
better house.
yeah, but not a problem for them. But I think if that happened to me, I will just collect my pictures, my souvenirs, my passport. I don't have much gold. I don't have like any money, cash. But yeah, What would you collect if your house, God forbid, is on fire?
Can I collect my bed?
Your bed? So you
Yeah.
can buy another bed. Come on.
No, my own bed.
You want your own bed? Okay.
Yeah.
It's soft or just,
I love it. It's my safe place.
it's your safe spot.
Yeah, safe
But-
spot.
Yeah, okay. We can just create another safe spot.
Okay.
It just you have to have a safe person. I mean, a safe family. Then anywhere is a safe
Could be a
place
safe
with that
place,
person.
yeah.
If you have that person, you'll be safe forever.
For teacher.
Yes.
Did you know that my grandfather was a prince?
Yeah, and I'm the king of England.
What?
And I'm the king of England.
What does it mean?
It means I know you're lying.
I'm not.
Come on, I know. Your
No.
grandfather was a prince, so now you're a princess.
Now I'm a princess.
So where is your crown? Where is your tiara?
It's in my house. Somewhere
So
safe.
next session, you're gonna bring your tiara, and
no,
you're
but
gonna.
you have to call me a princess.
Okay, princess. But this princess that I'm calling you is not a compliment. The prince.
Teacher.
Okay, you're a princess. That's okay. That's cool. Good, great. Okay, I agree. So you have to call me the king, and I'm the king of England. May he rest in
From
peace.
now on, we are going to be here in red dresses, red long dresses.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be here with a crown, my dear
You should
student.
see me in a crown.
Yeah, no, you're gonna wear a tiara. I'm gonna wear a crown. I said, may he rest in peace, right? So in the future, when you heard the news of the death of the king, I said it already. He's gonna die. I know. He knows.
He knows.
He knows. I know a lot. They're gonna kill me. That was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel because you're gonna need it someday. And if you have any questions, write me in the comments and tell me where you're from. And yeah, that was all about today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day or night. Bye.
Bye.